This video will be a quick walkthrough of the feature of timing that has been added to the assignment activity. And you'll recall, of course, in the quiz activity, if you're familiar with the LMS at all, that in the quiz activity, when you go to timing, it will give you basically when it opens, when it closes. You can enable a time limit. So that means in a single sitting, I can ask a student to do something in 30 minutes. With that said, let's take a look at what the assignments now offer. I'll show you both what it looks like on the instructor's side as well as what it looks like on the student side. But you can see I introduced it saying it's a 30-minute timed essay, and it's got to be opened and completed in a single setting. So they know that way they're not going to start it and realize, oh my gosh, you know, I've got kids coming home or something, I can't finish it. Okay, so and the setup is pretty much what you might imagine. If I go to settings here, you'll see now I have, now this is an assignment. This isn't a test, but I'm using it like a test. Okay, so allows submissions from, same as before, cutoff date, but now I get down here and it says 30 minutes. Now, another thing I've done is I've said only online text because, you know, if they have a file submission, then that means pretty much they could have done it at any time. They just have to turn it in right here. So this is going to be something that's going to be live data entry. And for feedback types, that's what the kind of feedback I and the instructor is going to give. So I can put in comments here, but none of the rest of this makes any sense. Comment inline really doesn't make any sense either since it's not a PDF. In a text box, all you can do is really add text. You can change the color of your text if you want to. But in terms of the comments you can make on that kind of an entry, they're very limited, as you can see. And then, of course, this is my closing date that they'll see. Okay, so now I'm on the student account here. And this is Betty Brown, and she comes down. She's got time to take this. She sees what you've written here in terms of when she should start, so she's prepared. So she clicks into that, and it says it's the same information here, but look what it gives you here. Begin assignment right now. And now at this point in time, I hit begin assignment, and it gives me that little warning. Now here's the prompt, and look at this. A nice little timer going there on the side. And this is going to go through turn it in, by the way. And I've got to basically say that, yeah, I agree with the turn it in stuff. Now, once again, I have all the directions here, and here's my submission point. Okay, so the student has completed that, and that's fine. So the student hits save. I hit submit assignment. Okay, now I have confirm submission. I'm going to hit the checkbox, and you might want to say that's a checkbox in your directions if you want to confirm submissions there. Well, I'm hoping the comparison between the quiz affordances and the timer in the assignment was helpful. And do me a favor, if you do want to use the timer on an assignment and you see some value in this, go ahead and email Teaching and Learning and let us know where this is a benefit for you so that we can share that with others. Anyways, I hope this helped. Have a nice day.